Walking down the train. Woo!
Okay.
I know him. Walking down the train. We're at Brundall. Do you have a name for Brundall it? Who's fun? Victoria, walking down the train. We're walking down the train. Oh, don't be a twat. Oh, bless you. So embarrassing. So embarrassing. Sorry. So embarrassing. Look at your hair. Did I embarrass you? No. Sorry. I just cried. So funny. You're so annoying. Oh, so funny. Shut up! I have a boyfriend anyway! And I like boys anyway! Quite hard. Isn't this being mean? We're gonna get a random guys comment on this on Bebo, aren't we? That's me, I'm on there! Pick up that hot piece of art. There is my signal! That's what it sounds though. I don't know if that's what it's anyway. Check your bag! You rejected, I just embarrassed you. Oh, my hair's a mess. They wanted it really. Yeah, I know, they still do. I just made you look like a twat. Oh, don't be a twat. I walked off, I was sitting there like, oh. Why'd you do that? That's what it's like. It looks like, they're like five. No, you don't, I do. My hair wasn't properly curly earlier. You got a lip gloss? We can work with that. Oh, you got an iPod? In this crappy version. But yeah. No, not a lot, 'cause my computer's bugged. This one's on. So how did you turn it on? Oh, I broke it. It is on! That. That's on. That's on then. What, did you sit there? Yeah. We did. We put further back than we said we would. Should we go sit next? I'm like, alright. How did that go? Somebody's back. No, you're not. No, you're not. You're gorgeous. My amazing lip gloss, everybody. Joy's away the moustache. Yes, Joy's moustache. Check the beard out. Go eat. Go eat. Because I'm bitch. We are bitch. I bitch. Manly. I don't think we're going to get... I saw a bitch lesbian on the set. I thought it was a really hot guy. I shouldn't be saying it. I was like, oh, who's that? And then I stood up and I was like, whoa, that's a bitch lesbian. Oh, poor bitch. Good. How can you help me? Yeah, right, let's say bye.